One of the biggest headaches for designers is sharing their designs with someone else, and that person doesn't have the font that they used. And so in this movie, I'm going to show you how to get around that by converting your text to outlines. This is also a great method to turn your live editable text into a path so that you get more control over it. This is how people customize the look and feel of text when it comes to logo elements and things like that. The first thing you need to do is make sure you have a text object selected. And when I have the text object selected, obviously it is just regular editable text. I can make any changes to it I want in the character, paragraph panels, etc. If I want to convert this to outline so that I can send this off to somebody and not worry about whether or not they have the font, all I have to do is go to the Type menu and select Create Outlines, or hit the keyboard shortcut Shift-Control-O on the PC, Shift-Command-O on the Mac. When I do that, you can see there that it turns it from a text object into just regular paths. And the great thing is now I can send it to whoever I want and not have to worry about the fact that they don't have the font installed. The problem is I lose the editability of the text. So my recommendation is for you to save a copy of all of your artwork with the text intact, and then save a copy of it in outlines as well. You can append something to the end of the file name, like _outlines, to let you know which one is which. It just makes sense to have two copies of each file because of the fact that you want to be able to edit this text, because inevitably the client is going to come back to you at some point and say, you know what, I really don't like the look of that font, I need to change it, or you misspelled my name, or something of that nature, and you really need to be able to make those types of changes without having to completely reset the type, especially if it's complicated text that flows along a path like this right here. You wouldn't want to have to spend the time setting that back up or anything else. You want to make sure you create a copy and then send the outlines out to your client after the fact.